Stacy, how has marketing changed over the years, and where do you see it now?
The landscape of marketing has changed a lot. And over the years, since I've been at WAEPA, we started as a team of 1. We are now a team of 8. And it's no longer as simple as having a marketing plan and then executing that plan. Now it's about strategy. It's in-house talent. It's managing external vendors, resources, budget, data, technology, the customer experience, the customer journey, and obviously sales. Sales is a huge piece of it. But all of that is just the highlight reel that doesn't even encompass everything that we're doing.
Well, you built the marketing department completely, and it's really a top flight team. The results are amazing. The level of sophistication is really top flight. What's marketing's role now at WAEPA?
So our primary role and responsibility is new business, and in its simplest form, it's all about growth.
So how do you do that? How do you drive results?
So with marketing, we wear many different hats on any given day, but some of the core components of that are building brand awareness. We focus on a deep understanding of our consumer. We want to meet their expectations. We want to create this effortless experience and making it really easy to do business with us. On top of that, you pepper in data-driven decisions as well as analytics, and all of that combined really produces the results that you see day in and day out.
I remember I came on in 2016, you came on in 2017, and one of the biggest challenges we had was, how many times did we hear, I don't know who WAEPA is? And now I have people emailing me and texting me saying, I see your commercials. It's completely different. And there's more room for growth there, but it's been a wonderful journey. So what is your marketing approach?
So previously, it was about the 4 Ps of marketing. And anyone that's in this industry knows that the 4 Ps are tried and true. They've been around forever. Price, product, place, and promotion. But now we're really honing in on the 4 Es of marketing, which is emotion, engagement, experience, and exclusivity. So people not only buy products, but now they want experiences and they want an emotional connection to a brand. But in addition, we're also shifting our approach, our sales approach, primarily from a passive to a very intentional. And why is that important? We are looking to, as third-party cookies are going away, first-party data matters significantly. And we need to generate leads. We need to create a lead list, build that organically. We then nurture those leads, and then ultimately we want to convert them.
Stacy, what are the challenges that you face in marketing?
We face a lot of them, and I smile because we face them frequently. But I often tell my team that we are creative thinkers, we are creative people, and we're really good at problem solving creatively. But since COVID, WAEPA has been very resilient, and we've had to keep up with this pace of change. Since last year, we've been dealing with the new audience of former feds. We added that into our overall group. In addition, we had a acquisition that included basically 3,000 new members instantly. We added automatic benefit rider, which is basically a policy enhancement. We added quick decision, which is it allows our users to quickly get through the application process a lot faster. And then currently we're working on launching a brand new product and putting together our go-to-market strategy, which will take place next year, but a lot of that prep work is happening now. So the complexity of all of that and all the different product offerings, we now have to be very mindful of how the products work together, paying attention to compliance, concerns, regulations, disclaimers. And so that makes what we do a little bit more cumbersome, but overall, it has also just increased the volume of what we're doing. And so we've seen an increase in the amount of assets that we're creating, the amount of campaigns that we're producing, and then the overflow of engagement that comes with all of that, and the participation the interactions that we're getting from both our prospects and our membership. So there's no longer this rinse and repeat type of, you've done a campaign, it was successful, and you do it again. That is true, but we're also adding to that. It's then what else is being created and what else is being magnified in addition to everything we did previously. So we also want to be very mindful that we're not overloading the consumer and making sure that we're balancing really the right message, the right product at the right time.
Great explanation. And you went over quickly compliance, and I'll just mention that's a bit of an inside baseball piece, but this is absolutely critical. Insurance is one of the most regulated industries in the entire United States. We do have regulators in all 50 states. We're not an ERISA plan where we follow federal law. We conform with each state's regulations. It is a real journey. It's a lot of work, and people that aren't in our business don't see that piece, but it's absolutely huge, and it colors and affects everything you do in marketing.
Absolutely.
Stacy, what is the future of marketing?
So I'm not going to say the buzzword that everyone's been talking about, but I'd be lying if I didn't say AI is on our radar. To me, the future of marketing is MarTech, and that's where marketing and technology are really doing this beautiful dance together, and they're playing nice in the sandbox. It's also about being hyper-personalized, and don't get me wrong, there's a balance, there's a fine line between being personal and then overstepping and being creepy. But when you do that right and you have the perfect balance, that's when consumers can really feel that the brand knows them and they'll lean into that. One of the other things I think with what we're concentrating on and where marketing is going is it's rapidly changing. And we need to be agile and we need to remain flexible, considering the new tools, considering the new technologies, but not necessarily using them if it's not right for our marketing mix. And then lastly, I can say the future of marketing is definitely unpredictable, but the keys to our success are creativity, data-driven decision-making, and then really a deep understanding of who our audience is and what they need. And I am very happy to say that at my time here at WAEPA, we've done that really well.
Well, yes, you have. You created a marketing department out of nothing, starting in 2017. It's been tremendously successful, and thank you for all the great work.
Thank you.